Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another 4 winter Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest board outfits that I was inspired by and recreate them using my own wardrobe. Let's start with look number 1. I love this. I rarely ever layer a t-shirt under my button up. It's just not something that I reach for, but I kind of think this is a cute idea, so I'm hoping it looks good on me. She's adorable. She's got kind of like a very layered look. So let's see, you know, I've been wearing button-ups less and less, even though they're like one of my favorite pieces. So I feel like maybe this will be a different way to kind of wear it, and I don't know. Let's try, okay, shall we? So let's start by putting on, I'm gonna throw on my little Everlane jeans. Her jeans are slightly cropped to show her flat. I haven't worn these in a long time, so let's pop them on. Ooh. They're a good jean. They're kind of like a medium rise, if you will, but they don't sell them anymore. I love them so much. In fact, I own 2 pairs of them, but they're so good. But yeah, they're like kind of at the belly button sort of fit. Okay, now let's put on a little white tee, because that's what we're gonna layer underneath our button up. I'm gonna use my Uniqlo white one. I love lip gloss, like, so much, but I hate when my hair gets stuck in it. And that NYX lip gloss that I have not shut up about, it's so good. It lasts on my lips for like hours without having to reapply it, which is impossible for me. I don't know how it does it, but it's just so good. Okay, anyway, let's tuck this in, because like I said, she has her button up tucked in as well. So let's tuck around all the way around. I do love these jeans, but one thing I will say is, like, if you bend over, your whole, like, it's one of those jeans where your whole crap hangs out, because they're kind of like a low slung casual sort of jean, but whatever. Okay, also, oh, she's got like a creamy sort of shoe on. I'm gonna throw on my little driving shoes from Quince, a little loafer. They're kind of dressy, but I forget that I have them. And they're really quite cute. I could have gone a size up. I think they run pretty small. So at first I got a 6, and then I got a 7, and I almost feel like, I don't know if they don't carry the next size bigger, but honestly I know they will stretch with time. I just haven't worn them enough. But honestly, I'm very into my loafers, so maybe these will start making more of an appearance. Okay, so my little Quince navy button up. I don't know how this is gonna work. This is also an extra large, so it's really big, but let's try. And she's really like cuffed up all the way to the elbows. Okay, I'm already loving this. Like a lot. Let me reference the picture really quick. Okay, cute. I think we've kind of nailed it. Okay, she has some big, chunky silver bangles. So I'm gonna throw mine on. Ah! Lost my glasses. My goal for this next, like, I don't know, from now is to really finish my outfits with the jewelry and all of that, so you guys can kind of see more of a full picture. I feel like sometimes I just kind of get lazy and just worry about the clothes and the shoes and don't really go full blast with like the jewelry and all that, and it's like I need to, so I need to be better about accessorizing. Okay, so because I accessorize in my real life. Anyway, okay, she has a tan sweater over the shoulder. I'm gonna use this sweater a couple times. This is one of my favorite sweaters from Quince. You guys, I feel like we nailed this. This is really quite cute. Very quite cute. Very quite cute. Okay. She has some sunnies on, which I dropped mine. And my boots. There's a snake in my boots. She's doing the little like Olsen tuck thing. I cannot stand that with like every passion in my body. Like it's way too overstimulating for me. I don't know how people do it. Anyway. This is the look. Just like little duffel or little tote. This is chic. This is super comfortable and so cute. She nailed it. I think we did a pretty good rendition of it, and these shoes with this is really cute, and now I'm wishing I just wore this for the rest of the day. I hate when I do that, but I also love when I do that because it means I nailed the outfit so much that I want to stay in it, so that's a win. Okay, but that was look number 1. What do you think? How do we do? Let's move on to look number 2. I don't have as high of hopes for number 2, but I feel like I have all the pieces. I just don't know. So, oh well, we're gonna trust the process and try it anyway. So, I have my gold jewelry back on, but let's put on, we're gonna keep our white tee. We're gonna put on some dark denim, like a grayish black, if you will, and put the whole shebang then. I need to wrap presents so badly. I have done no wrapping. I saw this thing that apparently some people wait until Christmas Eve to wrap all their presents, like it's a tradition. That would overwhelm the heck out of me. But I need to start tonight, so Mama's gonna pour herself a fat glass of wine and get to wrapping. I actually love wrapping Christmas presents. I used to wrap all of our presents like when I was in high school, and it was fun because I got to know what everyone was getting. So, anyway. Okay, let's put on these gray jeans from Abercrombie. I don't know if my boots are gonna go under this. I've realized I really only have tall boots and not ankle boots, so I need to get some of those. And lucky for me, Quince just dropped a Kenyon one, so you already know where I'm gonna get them from. But let's see if these will go underneath. These pumps. Falling down. Oh. I need like a little bench to sit down because I'm old and don't feel like bending down. Okay. Oh yeah, these are gonna work, I think. Oh yeah. I mean, kind of. It would be better with an ankle boot because it kind of like hits there, you know what I mean? But whatever. These boots are really cute, and I love the tiny heel because I'm not a heel girl. I feel like her jeans are a bit more wider than mine, but this is what I have. So, little, oop, I hate when my pants do that. Oh my god. Well, that was a fail. Gray sweater. This is so old. I've had this from Abercrombie for probably like, I don't know, 6 years. No, not 6 years, but at least 5. I remember buying this. This is part of their like legging friendly line. I used to own it in black too, but it got really gross. It is a good sweater, but it doesn't quite show a white tee like enough, but I can make it work. Oh my god, I'm like overstimulated galore today. Tuck it in. Gray and gray is really actually a great look. Okay. Let's do a black belt. I'm gonna do this one even though you really can't see it, which is such a bummer. But I ripped the tags off. I mean, I still could probably return it to Target, but it's just not worth the hassle. It's still a good belt. I just wish that it showed more of the studs. Like it's really just like a back stud. So if you're not gonna wear it like with everything tucked in the back, you're not going to see anything. So anyway, okay, base on. Let's put on the jacket. This jacket is super similar to hers, but I feel like mine is more like a brown undertone where hers is probably like a gray undertone. Maybe not. Maybe I'm making it up in my brain. Me saying I hate the Olsen tuck and then me doing the Olsen tuck. I think this hair or this outfit looks better with shorter hair, but whatever. I'm not cutting my hair for this outfit, won't be. No, it doesn't. It looks good with long hair. Cute. Okay, this came together a lot better than I thought it would. It's good. It's giving grown. This is an outfit I feel like Neilani would wear. I don't know. Anyway, this is the look. It's very cute. Very good. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Mental note. Take a screenshot. I need to take pictures of my outfits so I actually remember they're good, but this is a really good one. I like this a lot. We nailed it. No, nailed it. I love this. Okay, cute. This jacket is great from Quince. I have so many Quince pieces. Yeah, hobby. Okay, I think we nailed look number 3. Was that look number 2? What was look number 2? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, we nailed look number 2. This is really fun. This is great. This is so good. Okay, I digress. Let's move on to the 3rd look, shall we? Okay, so look number 3, we're actually going to keep the same sweater on. This is always the hardest part. Oh my god, I'm going to fall through my wall in these days. We're going to change into kind of a slightly cropped jean because you can see hers, like you see the jean or the socks with the loafers, not loafers, boat shoes. So let's do that. These are just like ever so, I mean, they're really not that cropped. Okay, these are less cropped than I thought they were at the time. I don't know, but I think I'll still be able to slightly see the sock ish. I don't know. Okay, tuck in like a brown with woolly sock, which are great because comfortable, practical. I love fun socks. I need to get more. These aren't like fun, whatever. Wow, my god, did I just say wool socks were fun? Okay. Cute. Oh, these are good with socks. I would never think to wear these with socks. These are good with socks. Okay. Now, she has a like little scarf thing. Hers is red. I'm gonna use this. And we're gonna tie in the, oh, this is so cute. We're gonna tie in the brown from the shoe. Not me saying I hate the Olsen tuck and doing it in like every single outfit. Oh, that's annoying of me. Okay. Anyway, what's that? Just some overstitching. Okay, let's put on our trench. Last but not least, she just has kind of like a clutch under her arm. This is so cute, you guys. I honestly love this. I love this sweater scarf so much. It's so cute. Want more. Anyway, I think we nailed this one too. This one was great. Very classic, very simple. And it doesn't take a lot to put together a good outfit. Like I know you feel like you need a ton of stuff, but it's like you really don't. And you can use what you already have. I mean, you have to have it to use it, so that's dumb, but you know what I mean? Like obviously I have a lot of crap because this is what I do. I don't say crap, like I have a lot of things. But like truly like utilizing what we have instead of, you know, needing to get a bright red scarf. This is like perfect and works and cute and super versatile. And I almost find it super cool when people are wearing the same like statement pieces over and over again instead of just like you see it and then you never see it again. I don't know how to make that make sense and not seem like stupid. But do you know what I'm talking about? Like, you know how basics, we like wear our basics a million times, but it's like we almost don't wear our statement pieces as much. A lot of that. I don't subscribe to that anymore. Okay, let's move on to the 4th and final look. The look I am going to stay in for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna do, I think she has black satin pants on, but I don't own black satin pants as of yet. But I do own navy, and I think this will look great with navy. So let's put on our navy silk pants. Now we're gonna leave our white tee on, but we're gonna swap out a different color sweater. Also, I'm sure she has heels on, but these pants really aren't long enough to wear with heels. Plus, I like practically just like for practicality wise, I wouldn't really wear heels with this outfit because it's pretty casual. You could, but I would probably just wear a pointed toe flat. So let's top those. And okay, now let's put back on the cream sweater from the first look. This is gonna be cute. I already know it. These sweaters kind of stiff from air drying it. But this is just like the perfect sweater. So good. Okay. Also, because I feel like this would look really cute, I think this necklace, she has a necklace on, but I feel like this necklace fits, oh, where are you at? So perfectly with the look. Because it ties in the navy blue. It's my little PD Paola Sodalite, whatever, necklace, and I think it's so cute. This, I had envisioned wearing this together, like in this exact outfit, and it's so cute. What do we think? I think I nailed it. For a bag, just like a little brown bag. My clutch would look cute, but honestly, this is an outfit I would wear just like kicking around the house. So, like, I mean, not kicking around the house, but just be bopping around. And I don't wear purses all the time. This is cute. I like the brown shoe with it. It works. With flat. Okay, that was it. This is the outfit I'm gonna stay in for the rest of the day. I'm gonna have to change my shoes to probably like a sneaker or a loafer or something, just to be casual and be able to walk. But this is absolutely adorable. I think I'm gonna bring this home to New York with me. So as always, I love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. Honestly, you guys, I feel like we nailed every single one. I'm not mad at any of these outfits. I think they all turned out insanely cute. And here's your reminder to, when you're bored, scroll Pinterest and try to find things that kind of look like things you already have in your wardrobe to recreate them. Obviously, I can't recreate every outfit I love, but I use that to build my wish list, but I'm able to use it to kind of like figure out like, oh, I have something like that. I could do that. Or I have the basics of that. And it's fun. So I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one very, very soon.